September is National Library Card Sign-Up Month. We're sure you know about all the basics that you can get with a library card, like books, DVDs, and audiobooks. But did you know that you can get so much more out of your library card? From our digital collections to board games and Discovery To-Go kits, we have a variety of unique collections to spark your curiosity. Read or listen to new ebooks we have available in our collection with the Libby app, or access books, movies, audiobooks, and even music with the Hoopla app. Both are free to use with your library card. Our digital collections are available at the push of a button. In addition to ebooks and audiobooks, we also have access to the digital edition of the Syracuse Post-Standard, Ancestry Library with millions of genealogical records, phone number, business, and market research lookups in Reference USA, as well as resources to support research, including Gale OneFile, Britannica Academic, and Newspaper Archive. We also have a special section full of materials for English language learners and new adult readers. The ESOL and Adult Literacy section is located in the browsing room, next to our new nonfiction sections. Here you'll find all of the resources you need to improve your English skills. You can even borrow biographies and chapter books that have been adapted and simplified for English language learners. Another unique item you can find in this collection is a Playaway book pack. Book packs contain one audiobook and one print copy of a book. That way, you can boost your English fluency by listening and reading at the same time. With our adaptive gaming equipment, our controllers bring gaming to more people and let them test drive before they invest in a personalized system. And watch the latest Netflix releases with our Roku Express kits. With 3D printing on demand, send in your 3D print file and we will let you know when it is ready to pick up. Choose from a selection of filament colors and specify the dimensions that you want. If you are unable to visit the library due to chronic illness, age, and/or disability, and live in the Jamesville DeWitt School District, you are eligible for our home delivery service. Once a month, our outreach team will drop off a personalized bag of books and items right at your front door. To sign up, visit our website or give us a call to fill out a home delivery service application. With our weekly grab-and-go kits, you can take home a bag of materials with instructions to create a fun new craft. But we're pretty sure you already know about those. While you're here, don't forget to explore our art gallery, where we feature the works of 6 talented local artists per year, with a new show every 2 months. Kids of all ages can enjoy stories at both outdoor and online story times offered each week.
Red House, Tree House, Little Bitty Brown Mouse. And this is by Jane Godwin, and it's illustrated by Blanca Gomez.
During our one-on-one tech help appointments, our tech assistant works with you at your speed to get you the answers you need to make the most of your computer, tablet, phone, or other device. Whether you're joining us in the building or online, we hope you enjoy all that your library card has to offer this September and beyond.